welcome back. Sorry, I'm like a whole mess right now almost. I wanted to jump on here really quick because today we're doing a photo shoot. Me and Ani are going to be shooting. Mostly me, but I'm incorporating Ani as well. But then probably when she's like 6 months, I'll do like a huge family shoot with me, her, and her dad and her grandparents and so forth like that. And yeah, so we need to help and get ready. We have 2 hours to leave, and then yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with us. Hopefully I can. I'm gonna text the photographer because I didn't really ask if I can shoot there, like behind the scenes type of deal. That'll be awkward. So just kinda like, I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably ask. So I'm gonna put some stuff away from a road trip we just came back from, and then start getting us ready. I usually like to allot 3 hours for getting ready with me and her, but we're working on 2 hours, and now an hour and probably like 40 minutes. We can do this. We got this, right, honey? We got this. No, don't do that. Why not? You're right. You're actually right, Ani, because we're gonna put all that stuff on hanger. So you're right. Currently 12:54. I need to be ready in like 45 minutes. And hair, makeup, put on clothes, get Ani ready. It's possible. We can do this. Ani's sleeping right now. Thank God. She took a nap. Makes that easier. Hopefully she naps for a while. But yeah, let's go. Let's get ready really quick. I'm pretty sure I can pull this off. I'm pretty sure. And then yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and put some music behind this, and then if I think of something to talk about, I'll be back. Stop it. Look at that baby. Who's the baby?
I always put the studio light.
We are here at the studio. We're ready to shoot soon. And my mama. Hey. So the first look that we're gonna do is kind of like homey chill look. So I have on all white, some white socks. Yeah. And then Ani's gonna wear all white too with the high-waisted socks. Oh, the baby. I did a very natural look on the makeup, which you saw earlier. And I touched it up a little bit. Nope. Okay. So let's talk about it. If you know me, then you know I love to be in front of a lens. It's always been my greatest joy, and I've spent years understanding, practicing, and perfecting my angles to get it just right. But today, I was a lost puppy. Knowing that we usually appear larger in front of a camera than we do in person, I decided a few days prior to practice my angles in front of a mirror, which I honestly hadn't done in a little over a year. It was a fail, I was not feeling it, and I told myself I would just go with the flow once I arrived based on my look, the scene, and the photographer's energy, which, by the way, she was amazing, very personable, and just a gentle person, which I found in past experiences to be very important, especially when shooting people that aren't so comfortable in front of the lens. I will leave all of her information in the description if anyone is interested in shooting with her. So back to my story, it was great to see what I actually looked like on camera so that I knew how to proceed, but I still wasn't so comfortable in my shell, and it took a few shots before I actually started to feel more comfortable. I say all this to basically touch on the topic of post-pregnancy, and not even just post-pregnancy, but I know plenty of women that went through freshman 15 after grade school. So with that, bodies change. It doesn't have to stay that way, but to move forward, we must first accept that our bodies change. My body has changed beyond anything I could have ever imagined. I definitely did not bounce back. To all of the women out there that do bounce back, God blessed you. I don't know what you did right in your past life, sis, but God looked out for you in this one. And to all the women who don't bounce back, we just have to work a little bit harder, but never lose sight of the end goal. Any new version of you, whether it's physical or mental, requires us not to peek back into what used to be, but rather seek to rejuvenate into a new being of ourselves. So cheers, sis, to what's to come, because we are taking nothing less than sexy soccer mom vibe. That's a wrap. Yeah, it's a wrap. We got to go change and we're going to eat now.
What will be the name of your channel?
Maybe like Life with Tanisha J or something like that.